We have our own talent pool. Karnataka is different. India is seen through Bangalore. That is what Vajpayee ji said once in Bangalore. Everyone want to come to India through Bangalore. And India is being projected. You go to any part of the world, they look at India through Bangalore only. So, wherever technology is there, whichever angle you look at, it is seen from Karnataka. That is the strength of this country. That is what we are telling, that Karnataka is the strength. That is why Karnataka has a different political acumen also.
So Karnataka's economy and contribution has
Yes,
no impact on the overall India's economy?
we are contributing to India.
Sir, also taking you back to your state, Prajwal Ravanna case. Now he has been convicted. Sentencing is shortly. How do you see it?
See, the law of the country, we don't want to comment much. We have to respect the law because the investigation team has made out very clear what has to be, what is there. I think the court has been agreed to their whatever the information they had given. We don't want to involve with the justice what has been given.
So also another court case, the Dharamsthala case, the media gag order has been removed by the High Court today. How do you see this development?
I do not know about it. Let me know. What is that order? I don't know still about it.